New Perplexity computer updates are insane. Perplexity just dropped one of the craziest AI updates I've ever seen. They added AI skills that remember how you work. They added a voice mode so you can just talk to it. They added a coding agent that can literally build apps for you. And they added brand new frontier models that make everything smarter. And honestly, this might be the closest thing we have right now to a real AI operating system. So let me break down every single update because trust me, you do not want to sleep on this one. Okay, so first let me give you some quick context because if you have not heard of Perplexity Computer, before you need to understand what this actually is, Perplexity Computer is not just a search engine anymore, it is an AI agent. That means it can actually use your computer and complete tasks for you, not just give you answers. It can research things, it can write documents, it can code apps, it can fill out forms, it can run full workflows. So imagine having an AI researcher and an AI developer and an AI assistant all in one place. That is what Perplexity Computer is trying to be. And the way they describe it is like an orchestra. You have multiple AI models all working together at the same time to get stuff done, different models handling different parts of the job, which is wild when you think about it. But here is where it gets really interesting because the updates they just shipped take this to a whole new level. Let me walk you through all 5 of them. Update number 1, custom skills. This one is a game changer. And I mean that. So custom skills are basically reusable AI workflows. You teach Perplexity how to do a task one time, and then it remembers it forever. Think about that for a second. You do not have to write the same prompt over and over again. You just create a skill and it is locked in. So for example, let us say you want Perplexity to create a YouTube video script. You set up a skill that says step 1, research the topic. Step 2, gather sources. Step 3, build an outline. Step 4, write the script. Step 5, format the output. And now every single time you need a script, you just say create a YouTube script and it follows that exact workflow automatically. Perplexity calls these specialized playbooks that guide the AI through tasks. And that is exactly what they are. Playbooks, you can make skills for building presentations, for analyzing data, for generating marketing plans, for researching competitors, whatever you need. And the reason this is so huge is because it turns AI into real automation. Not just a chatbot you have to babysit, actual reusable systems that work the same way every time. This is the kind of thing that saves you hours every single week. And once you start building skills, you're going to wonder how you ever worked without them. Hey, if we have not met already, I am the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. While he is helping clients get more leads and customers, I am here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every single comment, so make sure you drop one below. Okay, so update number 2, model council. This one blew my mind. So instead of using one AI model to answer your question, Perplexity now uses multiple models at the same time. We are talking GPT, Claude, Gemini, all running together, and the system compares all of their answers. It finds where they agree, it spots where they disagree, and then it merges the best information from all of them into one final answer. Think of it like an AI debate system, 3 of the smartest AI models in the world arguing back and forth, and then giving you the best combined result. And this is not just a cool feature, this actually solves one of the biggest problems with AI right now, hallucinations, because when 3 different models all agree on something, you can be way more confident that the answer is actually correct. And when they disagree, the system flags it, so you know where to dig deeper. So if you are using AI for anything serious, this is massive. You are not trusting one model anymore. You are getting a consensus from the best models on the planet. Now, here is the thing. If you are watching this and thinking about how to actually use tools like Perplexity Computer to grow your business and automate your workflows, I want to tell you about the AI Profit Boardroom. It is the best place to learn how to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation tools like Perplexity Computer. I will drop the link in the comments and description. Definitely check it out. Okay, back to the updates. Update number 3, voice mode. This one is simple, but it changes everything about how you use the tool. You can now just talk to Perplexity Computer out loud like a conversation. No more typing out long prompts. No more sitting there trying to figure out the right words. You just speak and it listens and it gets to work. So you could literally say, research the latest AI models and summarize them for me. And it does it hands-free. This is huge for people who are on the go or people who think faster than they type, or honestly, anyone who just wants a more natural way to interact with AI. It is designed for real-time responses and conversational use. So it is not clunky. It is not slow. It actually feels like talking to an assistant. And when you combine voice mode with custom skills, it gets really powerful. You can just say, run my YouTube script skill, and it kicks off the whole workflow. while you go do something else. Update number 4, the coding sub-agent. Okay, this one is insane. Perplexity Computer now has a dedicated coding agent built in, and it is powered by GPT 5.3 codecs, which is one of the most advanced coding models ever made. So here is how it works. When Perplexity detects that a task involves code, it automatically hands it off to the codec sub-agent. You do not even have to ask. And this thing can write thousands of lines of code. It can debug apps. It can build full projects from scratch. It can even push code to GitHub. The system can use developer tools to find and fix bugs automatically. So it is not just writing code, it is actually testing and fixing it too. GPT 5.3 codecs itself has shown crazy strong performance on real-world software benchmarks. So this is not some toy, this is a legit coding engine. And what this means is Perplexity can now build apps for you, debug your code, ship entire projects without you writing a single line yourself. If you are a developer, this saves you insane amounts of time. And if you are not a developer, this basically gives you coding superpowers you never had before. Update number 5, GPT 5.4 and GPT 5.4 thinking. So Perplexity just added 2 of the newest frontier models from OpenAI. GPT 5.4 is the latest and most powerful reasoning model. And GPT 5.4 thinking is the version that actually shows you its thought process step by step before it gives you an answer. This is important because for complex tasks, you want the AI to actually plan before it acts. And that is exactly what the thinking model does. It maps out a step-by-step plan and then executes it. So for things like multi-step research or complicated analysis or building something from scratch, the AI is not just guessing anymore, it is thinking through the problem first. GPT 5.4 improves reasoning, coding, software, interaction, and knowledge work across the board. So everything Perplexity does just got a major brain upgrade. And when you stack this on top of Model Council and custom skills and the coding sub-agent, you start to see the bigger picture. Perplexity is not just an AI search engine anymore. It is becoming a full AI operating system. You have reusable workflows with custom skills. You have multi-model reasoning with Model Council. You have natural interaction with voice mode. You have autonomous coding with the codec sub-agent. And you have advanced reasoning with GPT 5.4. Put all of that together, and you basically have a complete AI task engine that can do almost anything. And this is just the beginning, because every month these tools are getting better and faster and smarter. The gap between people who are using this stuff and people who are not is getting wider every single day. So here is what I want you to do. Go try Perplexity Computer, build a custom skill, test out voice mode, see what the coding sub-agent can do for you, play around with GPT 5.4, and start thinking about how you can plug this into your actual workflow. Because the people who figure this out first are going to have a massive advantage. Now, if you want to learn how to use AI tools like Perplexity Computer to automate your workflows and scale your business, the AI Profit Boardroom is the place to be. We break down exactly how to use these tools step by step and show you how to build real systems that actually work. Link is in the comments and description. And if you want the full process, the SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It is our free AI community. Links in the comments and description. You will get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Julian reads every single one. I will see you in the next one.